This wig a lot, guys. I really do. This one has me feeling myself more than the other one, but the other one is more wearable. Guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. So today, guys, I am going to be reviewing two wigs from Amazon for you guys. This one is a very nice, like, blonde type of wig. It's very, very blonde. It's kind of like a Barbie blonde. So these wigs are by Charisma Wigs. Thank you to them for sending me these two wigs to show you guys. If you're not familiar with Charisma Wigs, they are exclusively sold on Amazon, I believe exclusively. That's where I always have found mine. I have the more colorful, fun type of wigs. They are really pretty good quality, especially for the price. And they always come with a frontal, which really sends the deal over the edge. Both of these wigs that I'm going to be showing you are frontal wigs. So it makes for a very natural type of look if you choose not to use the frontal, which, as you can see, I really didn't use the frontal on either one of these wigs, but I just love frontals, period, even if I'm not, you know, parting and doing all that type of stuff with the frontal, because it just makes it look so much more natural. I'll be showing you two wigs. One's more of an ashier, grayish, blondish, dirty type blonde, and then this one, which is blonde. And I'm going to show you how to make blonde wigs look super duper natural on melanin skin tone. If you're interested in seeing these two different toned blonde type wigs from Charisma Wigs, which you can find on Amazon, and seeing me lay them and slay them, you know what to do. Just please stay tuned. But before we get into it, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It's 2020. It's time to get it poppin'. I'm not going to say my goal out loud, but I have a big goal for this year, so help me out with that. And also, don't forget to click the gray bell beside the red subscribe button so you can be notified of any of my future uploads. But yes, guys, let me stop talking and let's go ahead and get into this. Yes, honey.
I make her eat a perk, go short it a survival. She a hood queen and her name is Renata.
Okay, guys, so let's hop into this first wig. I am feeling myself having a good time in all blue because this was when the Titans made it to the AFC Championship. I do live in Tennessee. I am from Tennessee, so I was representing that day. About to go watch the game. But this is Christmas packaging. These are from Charisma Wigs, like I said, and their packaging is so cute, and it also comes with two nude wig caps. None of those weirdo mesh wig caps. Is actually wig caps that I use, and their packaging says happy hair, happy life, which, yes, I agree with. So like I said, I was about to go watch the AFC Championship, and I decided to try on first the really, really blonde one, which is going to be the second wig I'm actually going to be showing you, because I realized this wig is not for somebody that's in a rush. So I went ahead and quickly snatched that mug off because I was like, I do not have time for this right now. I was in a rush. So if you are looking for something that is more easily thrown on, you need this one. This one is the Charisma brown lace front wig. It has ombre dark roots. It's natural looking and it is wavy. It's synthetic, of course, and it is 22 inches long. It does not come with a clip in the back, but it does have two clips on either side of the frontal right here, as you can see. And there's one right there in the very back of the frontal too. So 3 clips. And yeah, it's nice and wavy with those loose, like tousled type of curls. So I'm just putting that one on my head right now, seeing how it looks. I really do like the curls on this wig, and I also like the tone. It is a blonde wig, but it says it's brown, but it's that really like brownish blonde, really dirty type of blonde. It kind of has a grayish tone to me also, and as you can see, it's very, very long. So I'm taking the Wig Extensions Lace Tint Spray in the shade Golden, which is my favorite like way to tint my lace. I use this all the time in a lot of my videos, and I'm just going to spray that all over the lace in the frontal, just so it's going to make that lace really match my skin tone a lot more, because this lace is really, really light. And then I'm just taking a blow dryer and I'm going to dry that before I put it on my head, because you do not want to put it on your head with the lace being wet from that spray. So the first step that I really like to do when I'm wearing a blonde wig or a wig that's extremely lighter than my actual hair color, I like to pull out a little bit of hairs and then cut them to make a little bit of baby hairs or just shorter hairs in the front, just to mask the lace more and to actually just make it look like it's going from my forehead, that my hairline is going from my forehead back into my actual hair. It just makes it look a lot more natural, in my opinion, just having those little bitty hairs in the front, and just mask the fact if any black hair is showing, any of my black hair underneath. So I really like doing that. So that I just did that really quickly right there. I'm just playing with the curls, and yeah, this wig is very easy to slay. So it's already curled and everything for you, so it's just really easy to put on and just be on your way. I could have straightened it out a little bit at the top, but I really didn't have time to do that. I just put a little bit of the curls behind my ears and just let them hang. And the curls did not tangle too bad, which I really, really liked, because some of these wigs can be a little bit tangly, but this one is not. And I really like how effortless and loose and wavy and curly the hair is. So yeah, that's the first wig. And then we will move on to the second. So this wig, honey, I love this color. It just makes you look so Barbie-like. Like, I love it. I was feeling myself just by throwing it on my head. I have done nothing, and I'm already like, yes, I love it so much. So I'm just combing the hair out, trying to figure out what I need to do to make this wig look a lot more natural. So I tinted the lace again with my lace tint spray, which is another important step. So that's step 2. Make sure you tint that lace, okay? Now I'm taking some of my Got2b spray. I'm actually going to show you how I installed this one. So that is another step that I really, really like to do to make my wigs look a lot more natural, no matter the color, is definitely use my Got2b Freeze Blasting Spray to really lay that lace down and melt it into my skin. I spray it all over my hairline, and then I take my blow dryer and I just blow dry that till it gets a little tacky, and then I just press the lace onto my head, and then I'll go ahead and go back in with my blow dryer and just press it down with a rat tail comb or something flat, just to really melt that lace into my skin so it looks really seamless.
We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
All right, yes, as you can see, look how flat and beautiful that looks. That looks really, really nice, and I love pulling some of the hair out when I'm wearing blonder wigs to cover up any black hair that's showing on my sideburns. So that would be step 4 for me. And as you can see, that lace on that side is not stuck down yet. I thought it was, so I need to go back and lay that down. So that's what I'm doing. Some of it did not stick, so I'm just spraying some more Got2b and going back in with my blow dryer just to really make sure that lace is melted into my skin. But yeah, you definitely want to pull out some hairs and put them in front of your ears. You can even cut them if you want it to be shorter, if you don't want it to hang down too low, if you want it to look more like sideburns. But I definitely do that when I'm wearing blonde wigs, so the hair looks like there are sideburns there. So now I'm just going to do a nice little cute style. I'm pulling some hair from the top of the front of the wig, and I'm just going to either side of the part basically, and I'm going to make a twist and do that on both sides of that part. With the front portion of the hair, just twist it all the way down, and I'm going to bobby pin them in the back of my head. So I'm going to pull both twists around to the back of my head and use some bobby pins, some really like pretty decorative gold bobby pins, as you can see right here, and I'm going to put one on either side to bobby pin those twists to the back of my head so the hair is pulled back. As you can see, I do have those sideburn pieces right there, and as you can see, this is how it looks in the back, which is really cute. I actually could have twisted or braided the part that's hanging down from the twist, but I actually just brushed it out so it looks nice and straight back there. And then I did take a barrette, pearl barrette, and I put it right in the center right there. I will have the set that comes with these barrettes and actually those gold bobby pins down in the description box below, because it's also from Amazon like these wigs. And that is it, guys. That is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to share with you guys some quick tips that you can use to make your bright, colorful, or blonde wigs look more natural on your skin tone. So thank you so much for watching once again, and I cannot wait to hopefully see y'all in my next one. Bye-bye.